Hi, I'm designer and renovator Carlene Duffy, and here are 5 design trends to look out for. Number 1, colour is being embraced on a bigger scale. So we're seeing it used more, not just in pops of colour via your soft furnishings, but in your hard finishes, in your joinery, in your tiles and your paint colours, and it's exciting. Number 2, the use of small scale tiles. You've probably seen it used recently in bigger volume and not just in a feature capacity. You'll see it on whole floors in bathrooms, on all the walls, and I'm absolutely loving it. Number 3, we're seeing less overhead cabinets in kitchens. It used to be just a given, but now that our kitchens are becoming bigger and bigger, that storage space is less precious. I love it because it gives the eye some breathing room, and that's a good thing. Number 4, the use of soft Roman blinds. They're really having a comeback, and they go so far in adding softness and helping frame a window. Number 5 is all ensuite bedrooms. I think people are feeling now that for their house to be functional and saleable, that they need all bedrooms in the house to have their own ensuite, which means every child is getting their own ensuite. I don't want to be spending that sort of money, and I also don't want my kids to grow up with that sort of privilege. So to me, that's a trend you can skip.